Hey guys, today I'm gonna post a video on how to make some easy money. Yeah, it will be good. Even if you don't need one, who cares? You are getting free money. Why wouldn't you try it? Okay. So there's a app called Hypstar, a video editing app, video making and editing app. Here you have to post short videos of not less than 10 seconds and not more than 15 seconds. And based on the likes and content, it doesn't matter the likes, but based on the content you get flames for your videos, just like I got flame for this video right here. I got this 296 flames, and this two flames, and my flames from other video, they are 412 flame I got. And if you see, I got $6 from this total flame. So I got flame on only 3 videos out of 110, and it doesn't matter because if you post only 3 videos also, you will get this amount of flame if the video is good. And you can copy video, you can post original content, it doesn't matter. Now if you want some more money, there are some award winning quiz in certain times or prime time. You can say 1 hour in the 1 p.m. in the afternoon, 8 p.m. in the night, and sometimes a bonus quiz at 10 p.m. Now what you need to do is join, and you are given the data sheet of how much money will be divided between each contestant, each winning contestant. That is, today at 8 p.m. the total money is 3,500, and it will be divided by the total amount of total winning contestants, which is approximately 3 to 4,000 people. Now if you share a referral code, this is a referral code. Now if you want your friend to join, ask him to use this referral code. Now what is good with that is that if he uses your referral code, he will get an extra life and you will get an extra life. So even if you fail the quiz sometime in mid, you can re-enter the quiz. You will automatically will be re-entered in the quiz without any doubt. Now the more you share your referral code, the more times you can resurrect it in a single quiz. And the questions are very easy, even third graders can pass that questions. So there is no hush and fuss about that. So enjoy and win some easy money. There's no harm in that, is there? Okay, goodbye.